And now the news in detail. The CEM KHADC today expressed utter surprise on the irresponsible statement made by the Congress legislator David Nongrum, saying that the existence of the District Council is a wasting of money. The CEM member also added that he is proud that the council is for preserving the rich culture of Khasi community, including strengthening the traditional administrative system of Hima, Ilaka, Aimship, Sodarship and Lingdorship. Mr. Khan regretted the allegation made by David, unaware that in other states, particularly in Northeast, there are district council. The CEM cited example like in Arunachal Pradesh, where the assembly passed the resolution on the need of having the district council. He also said that even in the tribal state of Nagaland having its own traditional body, he reiterated that even in Assam, there are district council.
Bumut bomdon jingmut silong le no ke su tuit ke pisah sini ke silong le no ke long kamkai te lembak ini ki mentakas ni nakwa ban pensyai nama kani kan ya lambak lai ki pajba kan ya lambak lai ki babuan balang tengam kwa bakan don kanunu ke jinsya ya lambak lai But kamjuru haga jo kapor kan pensyairu ya iba debit ba insutu kai ke district council baleng idon ke district council ke ka alternative jong ka panchayati raj under the part 9 article 243 jong ka constitution jong kali India. Kapan saya tidak ketika hukum sensasional, ketika orang grassroots governance, kabalong persyak ya kerukum sensiar kadar dungi ukasi. Nak kata kadau, lah pelak ya ke state Meghalaya. Nak ni ke kendon jong ke artikel aspak sokulai, kabangi jutip kung ke 73rd amendment. Na syukran na siteng ngam kwa ban keren na tanrai namar perok layatip baleng idon ke district council baleng iyo ke district council ngam kwa ban lek history juga khat kendai spak sampuar baleng la snai ke district council baleng la pengat ingi apa ke district council ka jingdon ke district council kapan scam ya kiriti kidustur kibangi kum kacait menteri ngilada ngidon ni hima ngidon ni dorbasno kibayarak ya kasensyar kadar kabalong kat kum ki custom ki jong kat kum ketenrai ki jong kini baru kini kisah adu mentah kadai nak kadau ba kadang ke district council lada amdan ke district council motif kai ke banja ya kari gitu wat ka supreme court masih penkan mau tiap ya ka kes jong ke district council jong ke KHADC persya ya ka rai jong ke Meghalaya High Court kabaong bakirang ba snong kin trekam kat kum ki an balasna daga district council halo ka 6 hidur kadang penkesan kadang supreme court kum juru kadang sakoi ka kes kabah hak kendai spa andru fundriu kajong uma Edwinson bare baka state jong ka Assam kabaong baka artikel sauspa a saus aspa saufusau a kabamut baki kendon jong ka 6 schedule kim trekam hak biadai baka sensyar kadar